Hey guys, welcome back to YouTube Tips by Blessing. Let me guess, you have been posting videos on YouTube, but your views are low, your subscribers are not growing, and you are wondering if YouTube even notice your channel. Well, you are not alone. In this video, I'm going to share 5 simple but powerful hacks you can do with just your phone to grow your channel, even if you are starting from zero. And listen, if you stay to the end, I will review the one hidden YouTube setting that most small creators ignore, but once you turn it on, it can double your watch time. Trust me, you don't want to miss that part. So tip number 1, check your analytics daily. First, you need to treat your YouTube Studio app like your best friend. Every day, open it and go straight to analytics. Then you check your real time, because those numbers are like your channel's heartbeat. Look at your last 48 hours, which your videos are getting the most click. Let me tell you something that changed my own growth. If you notice that one topic is doing better than the rest, don't just smile and move on. No, make another video on the same topic. YouTube has already shown you that your audience like it, so give them more of what they want. Think of it like you are selling in the market. If tomato are selling fast, will you switch to onions? No, you will bring more tomatoes tomorrow. And use the same logic on YouTube. What is moving? Focus on that topic. All right. Tips number 2, post at the right time. Timing is everything. Go to your analytics and check your audience in YouTube. That you go to your YouTube studio, you will see a purple chart there. That chart shows you exactly when your viewers are online. If your audience is most active at 6 p.m, post at 5:30 p.m. so that your videos will be fresh when they open YouTube. This one change alone can give your video a big push in the first few hours, and first few hours matters a lot for YouTube's algorithm. Tip number 3, make eye-catching thumbnail. Your thumbnail is the first impression people have of your video. If it's boring, they will even click to hear what you have to say. So here is my quick thumbnail recipe. 1, use bright background, red, yellow, white, work very well. Then use big bold text, not more than 4 words. Then use close-up face with emotions, surprise or happy face or thinking or even confused face. Or you can use Canva on your phone and you will design. So here is the trick: zoom in your face so it's big and clear, then add your text in an empty space. Remember, people don't read much on thumbnails, they just glaze. So make it shout, click me. Make your thumbnail shout, click me. Tip number 4, add end screen cards. Add end screen plus cards. Once you upload your video, don't just leave it. Go inside the YouTube app or Studio app and add end screen. At the end of your video, show your viewers the next video they should watch. Why? Because if they watch more of your videos in a row, YouTube thinks, people like this channel, so let's recommend it more. So you see, also add cards in the middle of your video. Those little pops up that suggest another video. Think of it like a shop owner saying, hey, if you like this shirt, you might also like this shoe. You get the secret? Tip number 5, use playlists. Playlists are not just for organizing your videos, they are secret growth weapon. Every time you post a video, add it to a playlist that has keywords and rich name. For example, if your channel is about YouTube tips, create a playlist called YouTube Growth. YouTube tips to grow fast. When people click on one video in that playlist, the next video plays automatically. More watch time for you. Plus, playlists themselves can rank you in YouTube search. All right, so here is the bonus: engage with your audience. Whenever someone leaves a comment, reply as soon as you can. That quick interaction makes YouTube push your video more because it sees people engaging. And if you can pin your own comment at the top with a question to keep the conversation going. So remember, I promised to give you a secret. So here is the secret setting. Now that you stay to the end, here is the trick I promise. Go to your YouTube studio setting, upload default, advanced setting, and make sure you allow embedding option. Make sure that your embedding option is on. Why? Because this lets other websites, bloggers embed your videos on their site. If they do, you get free watch time from people who are not even on YouTube. Many small creators miss this, but it can quietly grow your audience. All right, I hope you get something. So there you go, 5 YouTube growth hack that you can do with just your phone, plus a secret setting that could double your watch time. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this YouTube Tips by Blessing and watch the next video. It will help you take your channel to the next level. I'll see you there. Bye bye.